Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to build Donald Duck using bricks. First, gather all your brick pieces and the instruction manual. It's helpful to sort your bricks by color and size. This makes finding the right piece much easier. Next, set up a clear, well-lit workspace. This ensures you can see all the small details and build comfortably. Taking these initial steps will make your building experience smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's begin building Donald Duck. Start by assembling the base plate. This provides a strong foundation for your entire model. Carefully follow the instruction guide to connect the initial layers of bricks. Pay close attention to the orientation of each piece. It is crucial to verify every brick connection, ensuring they are firm and secure. A solid base is essential for the stability of your finished character. With the base established, it is time to add Donald Duck's iconic features. Begin by attaching the blue bricks that form his sailor suit, paying attention to the specific shapes. Next, carefully position the white and yellow bricks for his beak and feet, ensuring they are aligned correctly. Finally, integrate the distinctive red bow tie and the sailor cap elements. These details truly bring the character to life, making him instantly recognizable. You are almost finished. Take a moment to review your completed Donald Duck model, checking for any missing or misplaced bricks. Sometimes a small piece can be overlooked. Gently press down on all connections to ensure the entire structure is secure and stable. This prevents any parts from accidentally falling off. Finally, choose a stable and visible location to proudly display your fantastic brick-built Donald Duck for everyone to admire.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.